Vice Chancellor of Goa University Professor Varun Sahni has appealed to the younger generation to take ahead the legacy of Konkani stalwarts and carry forward the Konkani movement with the help of modern technology. Veteran writer Dr. Rocky Miranda, who produced two research-based books, Ancient Konkani Bharat and Old Konkani Bharata, was felicitated by Asmitai Pratishthan in Panaji on Thursday evening at the hands of Goa University Vice Chairman Professor Sahni. Also present on the days were veteran writer Damodar Mauzo, Dr. Varsha Kamath, Arvind Batikar, Jose Lorenzo, and Shyam Verenekar. He also released the books.
There is a responsibility of generational transference here. And I think the younger generation that are getting into the serious study of Konkani must be there ready to take on this role. Because there is a generation, an elder generation that has really done Herculean work. And I think it's going to be a tragedy if the younger generation is not there to stand on the shoulder of giants and to really take this work forward. It's extremely important for us. That is where we as a university and our extensive collegiate system really has to take on that responsibility.
On the occasion, Rocky Miranda also read out some parts of his book.
Krishna then showed both of them his true form and asked Hanuman to help Arjuna in the forthcoming war with the Kauravas. He asked him to break those arrows shot against Arjuna, which were difficult for Arjuna to destroy.
Our video journalist Shyam Chari from Panaji.